Dale, 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 dale.
And this is live right now. Live.
Nobody heard serious condition.
The what?
Witnesses, no,
I'm the witness.
no serious condition.
Was there
car
any
crash.
vehicle on fire? Is it,
No.
there's only 2 vehicles involved?
They said it was her. It was her fault. So,
Okay, come over here. Just separate. Who? Will you guys know each other?
no, no.
Okay,
well,
let me talk to you first. Come over here. All right, what happened then?
Well, he was going this way, but she was going opposite, like this way. So she wasn't going in the right speed. You know, the speed limit, you had to go slower than over here. So she wasn't. So it was like her fault when going the speed limit.
Where's she go? Was she trying to cross the street on Harlan, or
Drive,
was she on
drive here.
Zamora?
Try to go
She
here.
was coming from Harlan, from
Yes,
there,
and
trying to cross the.
they were going 35 and 34. So her was going more than 20 miles per hour, more like 25.
Okay, so you T-boned her.
So she was actually going faster, which the limit that she was not supposed to be at.
What's your name?